In today's video, I'm going to show you Premium Denture Care System review. Is Rosopol Dentures scam or legit? Premium Denture Care System, often marketed as Rosopol Premium Dentures, is promoted online as a revolutionary at-home denture solution that promises a natural, stable fit without messy adhesives or dentist visit. On official-looking product pages, the company claims a patented adaptive design and medical-grade materials that mold to your mouth in minutes, restoring chewing function and facial support while boosting confidence, and highlights positive testimonials from users who say the dentures feel comfortable and look natural. These pages usually mention free shipping above a certain order value and a money-back or risk-free trial period to reassure buyers about their purchase. However, independent reviews and scam alert reports paint a very different picture. Investigations into the product reveal that many health-related claims, such as affiliations with dental institutions or FDA certification, are not verifiable, and there's no credible evidence that Rosopol dentures are approved by recognized dental authorities. Critics point out that the company's marketing uses generic stock images and repeated glowing testimonials, often reused across unrelated ads, which raises suspicion about their authenticity, and note that there's little transparency about who makes the product or what quality standards it meets. Consumer-generated reviews further criticize the system as poorly fitting, uncomfortable, and made of inexpensive plastic rather than durable dental materials, with reports of long shipping delays, unresponsive customer support, difficult return processes, and dentures that look gimmicky rather than functional. Denture professionals emphasize that proper dentures normally require clinical impressions, professional adjustments, and follow-up care, none of which are offered by at-home kits. Bypassing these steps can lead to poor fit, irritation, or worse. In summary, while Rosopol premium denture products are marketed with appealing claims and testimonials, credible evidence supporting their effectiveness and legitimacy is lacking, and several red flags suggest caution before purchasing or relying on them for everyday dental use. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.